up, everybody? It's Constant Gaming. I will show you today how to download Insanity Live. So first up, guys, first step, open your browser, type in insanitylive.com/download.ph. Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna put this on the description box. So you can see various options of download in here, and you will see the system requirements like this: minimum and the suggested. Now download the full version, fastest speed. Click on that and you'll get this download. After downloading this, I'm gonna cancel it because I already have. You will get this Insanity Live 7-zip. Just run it, guys. Click run, extract where do you want to extract. Just you can adjust it, guys, like that. And I'm gonna extract it in here. Then after you're done extracting the file, you will get this folder. Yes. Now start the patch. Then click. And here you go, guys. You can now play Insanity Live. Just click on start. You can adjust the game resolution, guys, if you're not comfortable with this. So this is it, guys. Continue how that job error guys, thanks for watching.